Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bea. Sa video na ito guys, tutulungan ko kayo paano nyo i-unlock yung nalock nyong BDO account. But before that, make sure that you still have the cell phone number that was registered in your account because BDO will send a one-time passcode with that number that was registered in your account, and make sure you still have it. So let's dive into the video. Okay guys, that wraps up our video, and that's pretty much straightforward tutorial, and I hope you learned something. And please, if you like this video guys, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.